Meet the Suzuki TL1000R, a machine born to compete, built to impress. Introduced by Suzuki in 1998 and produced until 2003. Under the fairing sits a 996cc, liquid-cooled, DOHC, 90-degree V-twin, crafted for performance and pure sporting intent. This engine delivers around 135 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, with torque figures about 106 Newton-meters, 78 pound-feet, at 7,500 RPM. That gives the TL1000R a real-world top speed in the region of 165 miles per hour, approximately 270 kilometers per hour, making it a serious contender in its era. The chassis isn't basic either. Inversed 43mm front forks, fully adjustable suspension, a race-oriented frame, and dual 320mm discs with 6-piston calipers up front. Despite its race intention, the TL1000R also earned respect among riders for being fun to ride, low maintenance, and full of character. Globally, examples of TL1000R vary widely depending on condition, mileage, and region. For instance, listings from Europe show models from around €4,000 to €11,000 plus for low-mileage, well-preserved units. In the U.S. market, used TL1000Rs have been listed around $4,000 to $9,000 in recent years. For a collector's piece, a pristine TL1000R with low miles and documented history could command well above these ranges if rarity, condition, and provenance align. Section 140 to 2 minutes. So if you're looking for a 1000cc superbike with pedigree, personality, and performance, the Suzuki TL1000R stands out. Whether you ride it, restore it, or display it, this is a bike that ticks the boxes. In short, 1000cc of V-twin power, racing DNA, and a collector's market still evolving. Want one? Get the spec. Understand the value. Make the move.